So this paint may just be a terrible job because the humidity's too high, but we're going to go with it. So most of the work is taping crap off. I mean, really, almost all of the prep work is the hardest part, and it takes the longest. That probably took 30 minutes. Can running for 2 minutes when I'm done? Who knows? Anyway, so quite a bit of work has to go into getting it prepared to be painted. Okay, I know what you're gonna say. Where's your respirator, dumbass? Oh, yeah. Well, I don't have one. And Janie stole the other one, so